Well, good morning folks, hope you're all well. We're having an early morning jaunt today up on the Goss Moor, getting some of the sights and the sounds. I can just hear the birds singing in the trees. Lovely sound. And nice to see the sunshine out again here in Cornwall. Had a few drizzly days, but everything's nice and fresh now, so we can enjoy this early morning sunshine. So jump along and jump in and come along with us. See what we can see and find on this lovely spring morning on the moor. I love these little stiles and gates you get up in the moors. And nice to see the buds coming out on the bushes and the trees again. And this little path takes you down to that railway line there on the A30. And that's Castle and Dyness up there. And from up there you can see for miles all the way down to Cornbray and St Agnes Beacon heading west. And if you look up into the moors you can see all the way up to Brownwilly and Rowthorne. A good day. I can see all the way to Scruffy from here. Well folks, that little track behind us there, that takes us down to the lay-by at the car park at the Iron Bridge. That's where Magpies park tonight. We'll probably stay here tonight and tomorrow. And behind me here, you can just see in the distance, below the beacon, and Castle and Dyness. We'll go up there too if you fancy a change. Sometimes, me and Scruffy. It's not a bad life, you know, especially in this lovely morning sunshine. Best time of the day to be out, isn't it? First thing in the morning. That's just Goss Hamlet up there. We just come through. Love the way the trees there go over the road. Like a natural arch. Nice hazel trees there. We get some of our pegwood down here sometimes. And sometimes you walk in here, you see the old belters, the old Galloway cattle in the road, just taking their time, not moving for anybody. They'll just go when they want to. Haven't seen any today so far though. Lovely sunshine. And that's looking over towards Hensborough. The start of the River Fowl's over there. Well, all over the moor you find these little patches of hazel and withy with the moss on them. Shapes of the trees, just love them. Which are like our own little magical land in here sometimes, me and Scruffy. Look at that. Listen to them birds singing, so peaceful. We spend hours down here, you know, away from this mad world that we live in. Tinker and his dog. What more could you want? Goss Moor heaven in Cornwall. Well, we just found a present for Magpie the van. 4 or 5 lovely magpie feathers. Aren't they lovely? Well, this little road, and the little bridge, goes over the River Fowl. River Fowl just starts up there at Hensborough. And winds its way down to the county, down to the Carrick Roads on the south coast of Falmouth. Love that sound. And we're just going to head up the road here. pick up the little bit of wood that we cut and head back to Magpie for a cup of tea. Nice cup of green tea. Nice bit of Mayflower just coming out there. Well folks, hope you enjoyed the little bit of early morning sunshine with us up here on the Goss Moor. There's the wood that we've cut just up there in a little hazel grove. We're going to go back to the van and make some crooks and pegs. Well, we'll see us all again in a week or two on the next little gypsy adventure with me and the mad Scruffy on the open road. And as always, keep smiling and enjoy your day. And we'll see us all soon. Cracking.